to be very easy to order a Blue Prism digital worker because they had one SKU. And with that one SKU, as long as you had one production robot, you could have as many test robots as you needed, as many development robots as you needed, as many developers as you needed. You could be replicating this across 10, 20, as many as were practically would use the application. But as long as you're only operating one in a production, one or more in a production in a production environment. Now, this past year, it started to get a little bit more complicated because they started to introduce these product extensions. And sometimes the product extensions are just available with maintenance. Other times you can buy them separately if you want and bolt them onto either onto your on-prem environment. But at the core here, despite the extensions, the core is still the core. The digital worker is either an on-prem or a cloud robot, I say plus.